Open house Friday 1 to 4. Beautiful 2-story with unfinished walkout basement in the heart of Hardin Valley. Upgraded lighting, brand new, never used kitchen appliances, plantation shutters, and water filtration system. Owner suite, laundry, office, formal dining, kitchen, and large living room with cathedral ceiling on the main level. Upstairs has 3 more bedrooms and a bonus room. Custom design the walkout basement to your own needs or desires. It is already plumbed for a full bathroom. Everything is ready, all you have to do is move in, and even the yard is fenced. Go meet the neighbors at the picnic area, or have some fun in the sun at the neighborhood pool.